Hey, what's up everyone? I'm gonna go ahead and show you today how to make your back seats go from this to this. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and remove these elastic bands underneath. They're small clips. All you do is shove them forward and then pull out. So I'll show you right now. Let me turn on the flash. Now once that's off, this legitimately just starts popping off. So what you'll start doing is start pulling slowly and agitating the back seat till it starts coming loose. So you can tell right away the bolsters start coming out. So just give it a little pull. I need 2 hands for this. So once you get them out, you're gonna start pulling gently from the sides, from left and right and up. I actually noticed some little clips when I was pulling right now, so you might want to pull a little bit down here. I put my hand underneath, I got a grip, and I pulled just a little bit, not too hard either. Pulling around the edges, you want to pull firmly here, but not too hard, because you can break these clips. I broke them on the last one, just till they pop out. I think those kind of broke, but you pull them gently, softly. If you do have like a prior tool, you could try, but you need to break them. Not break them, but like break it loose first. So once you get it there, there's one more hook in here. It kind of looks like this, and it's onto a bar. So for explanation, this is the bar inside of here, and then it's hooked on with the C-clamp. So right now, I'm gonna kind of pull back with both hands, and you'll see that right now. Let's see. No. So I just pulled it out. It was on that hook. This was it, the culprit. Now, the bottom part, I pulled out one a little aggressive, but you kind of go, this one is not hooked, this one is hooked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go forward, in and out, up and down. I'm gonna massage it out. I don't want to pull too hard. All right, so for that last hook, basically I hit underneath this back panel and I hit it upwards this way and it bounced out. So now let's take it out and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so next step is optional. If you want to reuse the carpet liner, which I chose not to, just because it looks like it's been heated and you would have to pull it out and then reheat it in. I don't have a plastic and solder, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, just because I don't need this covered, is I'm gonna just throw it on as is, the carbon part. However, if you want to do it, this is the part number right here. Or you could grab a carpet, cut it in half, get it upholstered, and then tuck it underneath. Next thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and remove these plastic linings. Easiest way to do it is push in the tabs. There's 4 tabs of 1, 2, 3, 4. Push them in, or with a flathead, go ahead and do it. They should come out fairly easy. Start with the one that looks the most troubling and then work your way. So this one's the easiest for me. I'm gonna start this one, looks the hardest. I'm gonna go these two, this one, then this one last. Actually, I went from inner to outer. I went like this, counterclockwise. So I hit this one right now. Now I'm gonna hit this one. Not too much force either. And the last one comes out pretty much easy. And like I said about the clips, I don't know if they're factory like this with the opening, but I'm pretty sure I broke those. So just keep in mind when you're pulling them out, be careful. They do not have a, I guess they do have a part number. If you can see it, hopefully. So now with the suede backing out of the way, and you're gonna put these in the carbon one, you'll go ahead, place them in. It does take some finessing, so You just had to see which one goes in easiest and then which one goes in hardest. You don't really have to shave anything down. It's more about which one goes in first, and then that's pretty much it. This did take me the longest. It took me about 15 minutes each side, or maybe 10 minutes max. So to get this one in, I did bottom, outer, top, and then lastly this one. However, I did get a file, and I filed it just a little bit to allow it some extra room, and then I just kind of finessed it in. Went ahead and shaved this down a little bit as well. And now I'm gonna shave down this. I feel like it's a little too closed. It's carbon fiber, it flexes a little more, so I just want to give it the ability to clamp right away. This is probably the longest part that took me, but I think this one should be fairly easy now. All right, so once you finish installing the back pieces, trimming that side and make sure it fits good, you're gonna want to go ahead and trim this down a little bit. Just make it a little more flat or eaten up. I kind of shave this down as well so it slides in as easy as it can. I didn't do too much. Obviously, I wanted to be safe, but the first thing is you want to not try to attach anything. So you don't want to get the bottom hooks in. You want to get this attached first before anything else goes in place, and then it should be smooth from there. All right, sorry if you can't see that well. It's just with the headset thing, it won't work. So right now I'm just gonna kind of, this took a while. All right, see, I screwed up because now I already got this in and I don't want that. So let's start from here. It's the work. This took me a long time, not gonna lie. And I didn't want to like hammer it in because I heard cracks, so you want to be careful that you're not breaking your carbon either. That's why I thought I ruined the clear on the other one. So let's see if I get it by smacking it in. I want to get like a... There we go. That took a while, or at least it felt like it did. Kind of put the other in place. Now, what might happen is when you're doing all that, your front piece is gonna pop off. So, never know what that looks like. This is what it looks like. That nice jewelry. Just gonna go ahead, place it in there, snap it back in, make sure the back doesn't fall off, and that's it.